Okay, this is how to run the Ontology Table Report by Casey Keith. I took his prompt and adapted it to the Sandbox. Go into AI Sandbox and then choose and it's in SEO, and it's actually the first one up there. So you could choose your speed, your turbo. I'm going to do 3.5 turbo to make it run quicker. English, confident, informative, 0.5. And then this is where you put your main keyword. So if your main keyword is going to be, let's just do dog training. Then hit execute. And then it's going to build a table in markdown format for you in the results. Okay, that's markdown. You can convert it to HTML. That's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to, I've got my Chrome set to about 80% right there. So it does show the full table. Okay. Now I'm going to come up here to just click on that and then hit Control A. I'm going to copy everything here. And then I'm going to go over to a Google Sheet. Go up to the very top cell and Control V. And now you have it in a format that you can do other things with it. And you adjust the columns however you want, but this is a great ontology table to make a schema with, and really, really nice. And I'll leave the link down below to Casey's treasure map if you want to see what it looks like and learn the training. Ontology Report, dog training. Okay, that's all there is to it.